Make sure you watch until the end of this video to see how you can win free gear and products. Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and I want to talk about 12-volt key machines. Or really, I want to talk about alternatives to 12-volt key machines. Now, I get it. There is a place for 12-volt key machines out there. I think it's a lot smaller than we think though, and I have always kind of recommended to kind of stay away from them. I know the pros, okay, and I'm sure you do too, but I want to talk about solutions on using the normal 110-volt key machines in situations where you think you might need a 12-volt, okay? Now, these situations could be plentiful. Maybe your inverter in your van died. Maybe you're between service vehicles, or your service vehicle is in for repair or maintenance and you still have some jobs to do. Maybe you typically work in more of a shop setting, but you have a situation where you need to go out to a location and cut a bunch of keys and maybe rekey some locks, and you don't have the power you need, or you're not sure if you have the power you need. So in all of these situations, I want to offer you an alternative that you might think's a little crazy, okay? I'll let you decide that in the comments below and let me know. But let me go ahead and show it to you. So my solution is using a jump box that has a built-in power inverter like this one. You know, hopefully, you know, especially if you're doing lockouts or you're making keys for cars, you know, this is something that you should already have in your van anyways, and getting one that has a built-in inverter like this one, in my opinion, is the ticket. Okay, now this has a 300-watt power inverter in it, and this Flash 008 key machine only takes 130 watts to run. So we have plenty of power on this. I went ahead and ran it for a while and it didn't even touch the battery, okay? And it's really simple. You find yourself in a situation where you need to cut some keys and you don't have power. All you need to do is turn your box on, plug it in, and get to work. All right, so that's my solution. Using a jumper box that is a built-in power inverter like this one. Now, it is super important that you, ahead of time, make sure the built-in inverter has the proper amount of energy or watts that you need to operate the key machine or key machines that you need to. Thank you guys for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing what you think in the comments below. Also, let me know other solutions. Let others know other solutions that they can use if they find themselves in a situation like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Since you just watched this video, I'm guessing that you work with locks and keys. And to us at CLK Supplies, that makes you a lock boss. Unlocking, making, and securing things that people care about. And we want to hook you up. Here's how it works. Throughout the week, join the conversation and comment on our videos and include the hashtag LockBoss. It's free to enter. And every Tuesday, we're gonna pick 5 winners from the previous week and hook you up with a whole bunch of different types of prizes, including gear, tools, supplies. We might send you a key machine or even buy you lunch. So if you're a lock boss, join us every week to learn, grow, and win.